Ethereum, ETH against BTC. So if you look at FBTC, still looking pretty solid. We are still pretty bullish. We closed the weekly with a we didn't close under these lows, right? That's how you know when the trend is still on. We didn't close under these lows, right? So yeah, the reason why I would say that FBTC is already in a bullish trend is because we're already taking out. See, when it was bearish, right? Bearish trend, you get lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, until suddenly you see strength coming. We cleared this local high. Retrace first. This is how it works. Clear the highs first, retrace, then only you consider going long, right? But anyway, the point is, yeah, we took out these highs as well. See, after that, there was a little bit of a consolidation. And after that, we took out high after high after high. This is a very nice high to be taking out, right? We also took out this. So, look at this. We're turning bullish though. The thing is that we still will need to, have some sort of a consolidation first before we start clearing the next phase of the clusters of highs over here, right? Could we just zip up? Of course we could. Of course we could. But yeah, more likely than not, we should see some consolidation or a retrace of sorts, right? Again, if we were to look at the past, again, when we cleared this high, right, the high of the highs, what happened? There was a retrace before a big continuation back up, right? The most important thing is we have to stay above the skinny pink line. So right now, the skinny pink line is starting to curve back up. Good news, boys and girls. This is good news for ETH, which means that strength is coming into Ethereum rather than to BTC. So my guess is, yeah, around here though, 0.049, just at around 0.05. This will be very strong in terms of its resistance. So just a little bit more for ETH, in my opinion, just a little bit more. And after that, we need to see proper consolidation before we continue the next phase towards the upside. Again, very, very good reminder for everybody is that Ethereum is in a very high quality, super duper high quality AB CDE potential, right? So this is where the skinny pink line is. So we could hit the skinny pink line on the weekly, come back down, form a bullish continuation, right? Before truly breaking out, right? So the absolute highs will be here before we clear this, and then we clear this. It's going to take some time though, right? It's going to take several months or even years at least. But we are already in a bullish trend for Ethereum, so we would expect it to go to the skinny pink line first. Like even when things were dropping for Ethereum, we hit the skinny pink line first, bounce around it before we drop lower. So that is Ethereum BTC against USD. Okay, so to be honest, right, Ethereum is very, very, very overbought, super overbought, in my opinion, right? And we have already closed with a bearish engulfing. So this may already be the local top. But again, previously we also did close with a bearish engulfing. What happened? We went higher. We even closed with a bearish engulfing over here. Something like a shooting star. What happened? We went even higher. It's like, okay. This is a weekly bearish engulfing. So the wise thing to do would be to wait for a chart pattern to appear first before considering selling short, right? You'll be able to see it across crypto in the majors at least, right? Left shoulder hit, right shoulder under the skinny pink line. That's it. Bearish trend. We fell. Again, something like a mountain range. Not exactly high quality. We did fail. We fall. We fell. After that, there was a rally back up. And this rally has really taken out all-time high. So should we go any higher? We actually have a target here, 9,002. But I will wait for a consolidation first before putting it here. So the point is, I think there will be a retrace coming on. At least to here. My hope is at least here, right? But things were very, very bullish for Ethereum. It just kept going higher and higher and higher. So no chance to make an entry on the higher time frames. So anyway, here we are for Ethereum. We just zip out? Yeah, of course. of course. So again, we'll have to wait for the bearish sharp pattern to come in first for Ethereum.